Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are making a gorgeous traditional Kundan and mirror work Rakhi. Store-bought designer Rakhi can be expensive, but you can easily create this stunning piece at home. For a tracing of the cost lost quickly to over the materials you will need. Materials needed: transparent cover, small round mirror, pink round kundan stones, gold ball chain, pearl beads, bright pink yarn or embroidery thread, craft glue. To get started, cut our small circle from stiff transparent cover to act as our base. Apply a thin layer of fabric glue and cover it with felt cloth or clean background and added durability. Mark the exact center of the circle. Place a generous drop of glue right in the middle. Then carefully set your round mirror using tweezers. Press down gently for the 10 seconds to secure it. Ensuring the center mirror is perfectly aligned is key, as the best of the pattern will build towards from here. Now that our center mirror is fixed, run a fine line of fabric glue around the outer edge. Take your pink kundan stones using tweezers, place them one by one tightly around the mirror in a circular ring. Make sure there are no gaps between the stones for seamless look. You will need about 12 to 14 stones depending on your mirror size. This inner pink ring gives the Rakhi its bright, festive pop of color. Moving on the outer layer, apply another ring of glue around the pink stones. Arrange your clear stones in complete outer line to give the piece of professional high and finished glue. A standard of gold ball chain around the outermost edges of the clear stones. Trim off any excess chain. The gold details form the entire pattern and gives it a magnificent royal jewelry look. Set the main piece aside to dry while we prepare the thread. Cut 330 centimeters strands of bright pink embroidery thread and braid them together for a sturdy finish. Thread 2 pearl beads into each end of the braid thread. Tie a neat double knot near the end so the pearl stone locked in place. Fill the dry kundan center pieces over the base side. Apply glue across the middle center of braided thread and press a small circle of soft felt cloth over it. This locks the thread securely while keeping the understand comfortable on the wrist. Let the entire piece dry completely for about 10 minutes and you have it, a hand crafted bouquet style Kundan Rakhi ready for the festivals. A Kundan Rakhi is handcrafted sacred thread that incorporates Kundan, a traditional form of Indian gemstone jewelry featuring glass, mirror or gemstone set in intricate foil mountains, organizing for a royal courts of Rajasthan and Gujarat. This style turns a simple festival thread into a piece of heirloom style jewelry. Core design elements feature a centralized pendant adorned with kundan, colorful stones, glass beads, micro pearls, mirror work, and golden ball chain. Materials used acrylic or glass kundan stones, stiff canvas or cardboard backing, velvet or felt patches, and high quality silk, satin, or metallic threads. Key uses and cultural significance. Symbolic bond of Raksha Bandhan, tie around a brother's wrist during the festival of Raksha Bandhan as a symbol of love, protection, and lifelong goodwill. Reusable accessories because of their durability and jewelry like aesthetic. The central kundan medallion are often repurposed after the festival into brooch pins, sari, charms, keychains, or fridge magnets. Lumba Rockies for sisters-in-law. Kundan designs are frequently adapted into a dangling lumba Rocky tie into the bangles of sisters-in-law. Festival gifts to keep speaks due their opulent appearance. They serve as premium gift for family members living far away and double as decorative keepsakes. Uses of Kundan Rakhi making in schools. Integrating Kundan Rakhi making into school activities, services of creative, educational, and cultural tool for students, arts and craft competitions. Schools frequently organize Rakhi making competitions before Raksha Bandhan to encourage creativity. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and hit the subscribe button for more creative DIY projects. Drop a comment below to let me know what suggestions you would like to see next. Happy crafting!